So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save and export video from CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is download the app on your PC. You can see it looking something like this. After that, open the app up. Now on here you will see the options of even going to your old projects, some projects that you've already been working on, or some new projects. So you can see it right away that it is linked to the device you're using. It will remember and save your previous project, so you don't have to worry about that. It does that automatically. Now, in order to save and export, so once you're satisfied with all the adjustments, all the tweaking you've done to your videos and your project, you can go ahead and go to the option export in the top right corner. You will see it looking like this. So you can see it says export and then this symbol for the arrow facing up. Click on that. On here, you will see a lot of options and you will need to set up your resolution, bitrate, codec, format, frame rate, and so on. So you have a lot of options on here to do more setting up of your video. You can see export as GIF. You can check the copyright for this video. That's really important. And you can see the duration and the size. So on here, if you click on export, it will start the rendering process. So it will turn your project into an MP4 most likely file. And after that, you will see that file and you can see it in some of the video players you have installed on your device. So it's through this button, and after the render, it will be exported. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.